Most people think weak legs are a normal part of aging. They believe knee pain, stiff hips, poor balance, and difficulty standing up are things you just have to accept after 40, 50, or 60. But what if I told you that's not true? What if the real problem is not your age, but the way you train your lower body? In today's video, I'm going to show you only 6 isometric exercises that can completely change your lower body. No jumping, no heavy weights, no gym. You can do all of them at home, even if your knees are sensitive or you haven't exercised in years. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Can you stand up from a chair without using your hands? Can you walk upstairs without pain? Can you balance on one leg for a few seconds? If any of these feel difficult, this video is especially for you. Isometric exercises work by holding a position under tension. That means your muscles get stronger without moving the joints, which makes them perfect for protecting your knees, hips, and lower back. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Wall sit. This is one of the most powerful isometric exercises for your legs. Stand with your back against a wall. Slowly slide down until your thighs are as close to parallel with the floor as comfortable. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart and slightly in front of you. Now hold. You'll immediately feel your thighs working. This exercise strengthens your quadriceps, which are essential for standing up, walking, and climbing stairs. Strong thighs mean less pressure on your knees. That's why wall sits are often used in knee rehabilitation. If you're a beginner, start with 20 seconds. As you get stronger, work up to 40 or even 60 seconds. Remember to breathe, relax your shoulders, let the wall support you. This one exercise alone can dramatically improve lower body endurance. Exercise 2. Isometric glute bridge. Hold. Next, we target the glutes, the muscles most people forget. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Now, hold that position. Squeeze your glutes gently. Do not arch your lower back. Keep your ribs down and core tight. Strong glutes protect your lower back, improve posture, and make walking easier and more powerful. They also take pressure off your knees. If you sit a lot during the day, your glutes become weak and inactive. This exercise wakes them up. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Rest and repeat. You'll feel stronger and more stable with time. Exercise 3. Static lunge. Hold. This exercise builds single leg strength and balance. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge position. Lower your body until both knees are bent comfortably. Your back knee should hover above the floor. Now hold. Keep your chest tall. Focus on your balance. Feel both legs working. This exercise strengthens your thighs, glutes, and hips while improving coordination. It's especially important because life happens on one leg. Walking, climbing stairs, even catching yourself from a fall. If balancing is difficult, hold on to a chair or wall. Start with 15 to 20 seconds per side. Gradually increase as your strength improves. Switch legs and repeat. Exercise 4. Calf raise. Hold. Most people ignore their calves, but weak calves mean poor balance and ankle problems. Stand tall and slowly raise your heels off the floor. Shift your weight onto the balls of your feet. Now, hold at the top. You should feel your calves working hard. This exercise strengthens the lower leg muscles that support walking, balance, and circulation. Strong calves help prevent falls and reduce foot fatigue. If needed, hold onto a chair or wall for support. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest and repeat. As you get stronger, try doing it on one leg. Exercise 5. Isometric squat hold. This is a very safe and effective squat variation. Stand in front of a chair. Lower yourself down as if you're about to sit, but stop just above the chair. Now hold. Your weight should be in your heels. Your chest stays up. Your knees track over your toes. This exercise trains the same muscles as regular squats, but with far less joint stress. If you're new, you can lightly touch the chair for support. If you're stronger, hold the position without sitting. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds. This builds strength for daily movements like standing up, sitting down, and lifting objects. Exercise 6. Side leg raise. Hold. This final exercise strengthens your hip stabilizers, which are critical for walking and balance. You can do this lying on your side or standing. If standing, hold onto a wall or chair. Lift one leg slightly out to the side. Keep your toes pointing forward. Now hold. You'll feel the muscles on the side of your hip working. These muscles help keep your pelvis stable and prevent knee collapse while walking. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per side. Switch legs and repeat how to use. These exercises, you don't need to do them all at once if you're a beginner. Start with 2 to 3 exercises per session. Do 2 to 3 rounds of each hold. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between holds. Aim for 3 to 5 days per week. Consistency matters more than intensity. Over time, you'll notice stronger legs, better balance, less knee pain, more confidence in daily movement. And the best part, you didn't need a gym, heavy weights, or painful exercises. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs stronger legs. Remember, aging doesn't mean weakness. It means training smarter. Start today, stay consistent, and your lower body will thank you. I'll see you in the next video.